p.m. We are very early. We'll be taxiing for the next few moments for your safety and the safety of those around you. Please remain comfortably seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. All carry-on luggage should remain stowed until we've safely reached the gate. The captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Once the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, this will be your indication that we'll be safe to move about the cabin. Please check around your seating area, the seat back pockets in front of you, and the overhead bins for all the items you brought aboard with you. Please keep in mind that when stepping off this aircraft, you will be unable to return to retrieve any items left on board. So please just take that opportunity to verify that you do have all of your personal items when leaving our company here in Washington, D.C. Your first stop will be immigration department. It will be important to have all your documents out and available for collection. All customers will be boarding a shuttle bus, which will then take us to the immigration department. The use of cell phones is permitted at this time, and as well, you may use your cell phones and other electronic devices on that shuttle service. However, once stepping off to that service, you will then be in the immigration department. As well, once processed through immigration, you'll need to proceed through the customs hall. And then once you're through the customs hall you'll be able to use your cell phones after that process. So please, once again, discontinue use of cell phones and electronic devices once stepping off that shuttle service.